Good afternoon, folks. John.Richardson, taking the time to show you the Hood River Edition R-Pod at 2015. Now, of course, as you've probably figured out, this is a pre-owned coach. We don't carry these brand new, but we get lots of them in trade. And what these are designed for are the people that can't pull a whole lot of weight behind them, the SUVs, that type of thing, and they want something small sitting next to their house. One of the big claim to fame with these is they have a slide out on them. You got more room on them than a typical small trailer. They're a vacuum bonded sidewall, meaning they're aluminum frame, block foam insulation, related to like a kickboard if you're a swimmer that you grab a hold of and go do laps by kicking. So the other thing I want to talk about, Guaranty being in business now for over 50 years, we don't want to sell you a bad product. So before I can take a video of it or offer it to you, it has to pass muster through our shop. And things we're looking for, we're not really caring about the little scrape or anything like that. What we care about is dry rot, black mold, problems that we can't overcome. So I don't want to sell you a bad product. I've been here going on 28 years, and the reason I've been here so long, I don't have to hide from my customer. We do whatever's right. We make sure we start off with a great product so that you'll have a wonderful experience. That includes giving you batteries, 2 batteries if there's room for it, filling propane. Our technicians are some of the best in the country because they're busy all the time. We've got 48 service bays to take care of things. We want you to have a good experience. You tell your friends, you recommend them, they come in, and everybody's sitting around the campsite and they go, God, you know, I bought my trailer from John. Hey, so did I. Hey, so did I. And it's not uncommon to have an entire family that's bought rigs from an individual salesperson if they're treated right and the company's backing up what they say they're going to do. So to get on with this trailer, you'll notice we've got an electric lift here. You've got 1 propane tank. It doesn't need 2 of them because it's a little guy. You see these all over the place. We've got storage underneath where you can store. This, of course, is your bed area. You'll notice magnetic latches here. We tried to hide Kermit the Frog. He's out there having fun fishing. So, block foam, fiberglass wall, very, very light. Single axle, as you can see. This is kind of what we refer to as a Baja package. Got bigger wheels and tires on it, a little more ground clearance off the ground, obviously. So then we've got the little grab handle to help us old people get inside. So I use that extensively at my age. This particular rig is a rear kitchen, imagine that. So the nice part about this is you got your own little space here. You got a 2-burner stove. You can see what the heck's going on out there. You'll notice if you look out this window, we had some people come in and cut all the grass back here. But on the other end of things, you're parked next to a lake. You can look out your window and make sure everything's going okay with your husband out there trying to catch that proverbial trout. So we got single sink here. We're going to clean it. We go through it again with you, show you everything's in good working order, how it works. We have a refrigerator. It's not a monster, but it's plenty adequate for a small trailer with a freezer on top. Made by Dometic. Different cold settings on it, so if you like ice cream that is hard, then turn up the cold setting. We also have microwave up above it. Really don't need an oven because you got the microwave. And then, of course, next to the door, we've got some storage here. And one of the things I'll point out is, notice how we have the hidden hinges in here. These are a spring-loaded hinge rather than just the cheapy hinge that a lot of trailers have. This is a used rig. You have an electric slide out. What that does is open this up so that you've got either a bed or a couch here. You can turn this up into a bed should you want to. Notice you've got a freestanding table, of course, that fits down in between here. Got a very good mattress, storage underneath it. More cabinet here for hanging clothes, or a lot of people that just put shelves in it, set it in there. You've got drawers with roller bearing drawer guides on it. Of course, you got the furnace, and last but not least, we got the proverbial toilet, shower, fan inside it, and last but not least, air conditioner. So that's a very nice thing to have in the real hot weather. Any other questions about this rig, please feel free to give me a holler here at the number down below. I go by JR. Give me a holler, or better yet, come in and ask for me. I'd love to meet you. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it very much.